Okay, now I've answered this question several times before, how to manage time in Ielts reading. Okay, gender training reading or academic? Gender training reading. In gender training reading, time management is easier as compared to academic reading. In academic reading, the length of passages and the number of words in reading, they are more than gender training reading. In gender training reading, like passage 1 and 2, they make around like 5 to 600 words. In academic reading, passage number 1, that contains around 7 to 900 words. So there are 3 passages and there are 2 short passages. So in order to manage your time, section 1 should be completed in maximum 10 to 12 minutes. 10 to 12 minutes. Section 2 should be completed in 15 to 16 minutes. And how you can do that? The first thing is you should always be familiar that in section 1, what type of questions they may give me. If you know that already in section 1, gender training reading, they will always give me true, false, not given, which paragraph contains following information, matching, or they give me short answer question, sentence completion, then practice. And by the way, section 1 and 2 are the sections where questions and answers are in order. Right? So try to do section 1 and 2 in all 30 minutes, and more time should be spent in section 3. Now, in order to improve your time management, I would advise you to solve academic reading tests. Why academic reading tests? Because academic reading is more difficult. It's just like आपके सर पे 10 ईंटें हैं, 10 ईंटें सर पे हैं, हाँ, और आपके सर से 10 में से 4 ईंटें उठा लें तो आप फिर सुकून का सांस लेंगे. Right? So first solve academic reading, full test, at least 4 to 5 tests, and then come back to gender training. You'll feel better. You will say, thank God, yeah, I'm good at that. So there you will manage your time. Yes. Okay. All right. Actually, you got 5 band. Now, in GT reading, you got 5 band, and I can give you the reason for that. There can be a multiple reasons. One of the reasons can be you were unable to manage your time. You are always unable to manage your time when you do IELTS reading haphazardly. Haphazardly means jaldi se nu padh lo, ye kar lo, wo kar lo, and all that, right? If you do it systematically, then you can always manage your time. What is systematic reading? You read the questions properly, and you need to go on question number 1, first paragraph, question number 2, second paragraph, question number 3, next part of second paragraph, and all that. So where questions and answers are in order, they are not in order, questions first or passage first, where you know all these things, then reading becomes easier. Where you don't know all these things, and then you start, my way or highway, right? You start your own plan, and then achanak se ekdam sari cheezein samne, so then it becomes difficult. So in your case, like, you must have messed up any one question type in part 3 somewhere, or maybe while transferring the answers to the answer sheet, you made some mistakes. Oh gosh. Yeah. Maybe. It could be the reason. So practice at home and try to do gender training reading in 50-55 minutes. Right? Then you'll be fine with that. Right? Okay. Thank you.